Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a cake while hiking and tenting. Yes, you heard that right. You can make a delicious cake even while you're out in the wild. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare beforehand, what ingredients you'll need, and the step-by-step guide to make a cake while hiking and tenting. Part 1. Preparation. Before you start making the cake, there are a few things you need to prepare. 1. Get a portable stove or camping stove with a fuel source that you can carry with you. 2. Bring a pot or a pan that fits in your backpack. 3. Make sure you have a spatula or a cooking utensil to mix the ingredients. 4. Pre-measure your ingredients before your trip so that you can just pour them into the mixing bowl. Part 2. Ingredients. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make the cake. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon white vinegar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup water. Optional: chocolate chips, nuts, or dried fruit for additional flavor. Part 3. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Mix the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 2. Add wet ingredients. Add the vegetable oil, white vinegar, vanilla extract, and water to the dry ingredients. Mix well until there are no lumps. Step 3. Add extra flavor. You can add chocolate chips, nuts, or dried fruit to the mixture for extra flavor. Step 4. Heat up the stove. Place the pot or pan on the stove and heat it up. Step 5. Pour the mixture into the pan. Pour the mixture into the pot or pan and spread it evenly. Step 6. Cover the pan. Cover the pot or pan with a lid and cook it on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. Step 7. Check for doneness. To check if the cake is ready, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Remove the cake from the pot or pan. Cut it into slices and enjoy your delicious cake. We hope you enjoyed this video and happy camping.